Today, what I'm going to show you is exactly how to automate podcasts using n8n in one single click about any topic that you want to create content around. You can also change the voice, you can edit it, etc. Let me show you exactly how this works step by step. So, essentially, what we have here is a podcast automation, the step by step process here with n8n. If we look at the final delivery over here, we have the downloadable file, right? And so, what you can actually do is you can view or download this. So if I click on view here, we can actually play the podcast. Now, this is generated automatically with AI in one single click. The way that this works is essentially we're automating the text, the script, the automation of the actual narration, and narration is actually an AI as well, and then generates this, right? So you can see how this works step by step. So the first stage here is that you're going to plug in an RSS feed, right? Now, if you want to run this, all you have to do, pretty simple, is you just click on execute workflow over here, and that will start running the automation step by step, as you can see. And the way that this works is it's taking a Google News RSS feed. Now, you could use whatever you want, right? And it's pretty simple and easy to do. Now, from here, what you can see is that we are filtering and validating that step by step. So you can see here, it's actually taking all the events from the list of the RSS feed and then using that to generate different events right here. So it's breaking it down into like content, categories, it breaks down the description, the thumbnail, etc. Main thing it's going to be focused on is the actual content itself. From here, what you're going to see is the batch content scraper, and this basically scrapes the content from the RSS feed. Right. Now from here, it's going to validate that. So it's going to validate all the news, as you can see, using the JSON, and then it's going to break that down. And then you can see that's now generating the content like so, right? So it basically aggregates the content, scrapes. So just to recap here. So what it does is it will take your RSS feed, scrape all the content, aggregate it nicely, and then it's going to plug that into a script generator. Now, we're using ChatGPT to generate this. You can use whatever you want, right? So you could use a free API if you wanted to save money or you're on a budget. And if you wanted to do that, basically over here, what you do is switch this to Open Router, right? So you delete that chat module, change it to Open Router, and then Open Router can use a free API to generate the script. Okay.